back to episode 2 of Cooking with Kiet. Today we have Kayla, and she's cooking
baked chicken tacos.
Oh, let's get started.
So the ingredients we will be using is chicken, cheddar cheese, and yellow corn tortillas. A healthy meal, but you can also use other ingredients like peppers and basically anything else that you would like to add to it. So with this recipe, you will be using 6 of these yellow corn tortillas, and you will put them on top of each other on the plate. And the reason we do this is because when we put it in the microwave, you want these tortilla shells to be soft so they're easier to fold. And so we will go put them in the microwave right now. And you will set it for 45 seconds. Okay, so I know I said 45 seconds, but once it's like halfway, so around like 22 and a half, you'll take the tortilla shells out and flip them over so the other side is just as soft too. And then you will put it back in and continue. So now we are going to take this food release, which helps with the stickiness, and just spray it on a pan. You can use really any size pan as long as your 6 tortilla shells fit on it. And now you're going to apply these onto this. And they can kind of overlap now because eventually you'll fold them so they'll all fit. The next step is to start chopping the chicken. And since I prepared the chicken last night, then we warmed it up to make it easier to start chopping. So really your chicken can be whatever size you want, but I prefer smaller pieces because it's easier to fold when you put the chicken taco together. But now we're gonna start putting the chicken on the tortilla shells, and you're gonna wanna put them only on half of the tortilla since you're gonna be folding them. And it doesn't really matter the amount of chicken, it's just really what you want and prefer. Once the chicken is applied, then you can start putting the cheese on top. And it depends how much cheese you would like. So you kind of just sprinkle it over the the chicken. Now the cheese is on, so you will lightly take the other half and you fold it and you kind of just press it down to make sure that it will stay when you put it in the oven and the cheese will melt to the other half. So before I already preheated the oven to 400, and so now we're gonna set these tacos in here, and it takes about 8 to 12 minutes to cook. I think I'll do like 10, but you cook it until it is golden on top. After 8 to 12 minutes, the chicken taco should be done, and now Kiet is going to try it out.
Thanks for watching the second episode with Kayla in it. Have a nice day.
Since this meal is really healthy, sometimes for some people it's like super dry. So with that, you can add some like sauce or like ranch, salsa, anything that you think would be good with it. These microwaves work.
Okay, I just turned it off.
Okay, stop. How long do you want it for?
45 seconds.
Okay.
Push 4 or 5 start.
We'll first clear it.
Clear it on the bottom right. Push 4 or 5.
left,
Oh,
And then 45.
Okay,
and start.
because I pushed 4 and 5. And
I think it'll go 4 minutes.
okay, and so then I have to do halfway through. What's half of 45? It's like
22 and a half.
Okay.
She's doing better than I do.
Of course.
Do I even put 6 on there?
Push stop.
No, it's
Push stop.
there's not a stop button. You just start that over. What are you doing with that? After. Okay, hold on.
Stop.
After.
Gotcha, but
Yeah.